First things first, you need to be honest with yourself about your current financial situation. It can be easy to bury your head in the sand and avoid looking at your bank account. But trust me, you will feel so much better once you know exactly where you stand. This might involve taking a hard look at your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Reflect your values. Another important tip is to make sure your budget reflects your values. What are your financial priorities? Maybe you are saving up for a big trip or trying to pay off student loans. Whatever your goals are, your budget should reflect them. Set realistic goals. It's also crucial to set realistic goals for yourself. It's easy to get discouraged if you set goals that are too ambitious or unrealistic. Take a look at your current spending habits and set goals that are achievable but still push you to make positive changes. Automate your savings. One great way to make budgeting easier is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account so you don't even have to think about it. This can help you build up your emergency fund or work towards other financial goals without feeling like you're constantly sacrificing. Find the right budgeting tools. There are a ton of budgeting tools out there, so it's important to find the one that works best for you. Some people prefer old-fashioned pen and paper, while others prefer your budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget. Do your research and find the tool that fits your lifestyle and needs. Track your spendings. One key aspect of successful budgeting is track your spending. This might sound tedious, but it doesn't have to be. There are a ton of apps and tools out there that can help you track your spending automatically. This can be really eye-opening and help you identify areas where you might be overspending. A contingency plan. Finally, it's crucial to have a contingency plan in case of emergencies. You never know when an unexpected expense might arise, so it's important to have a plan in place. This might involve setting up an emergency fund or simply making sure you have a plan for what to do in case of job loss or other financial setback.